How to make rug pulls on meme coins in Solana blockchain. Hi friends, today we are going to create rug pulls on meme coins in Solana blockchain. First of all, we need to choose a platform. We will have it Pump Fun. Pump Fun is a good choice because there is a lot of traffic on Launchpad, hence a lot of low-quality investors who are likely to enter our token. Our goal is to get into King of the Hill, so that we can accurately guarantee the inflow of traffic. It is possible to run rug pulls without this condition, but you will collect much less Solana per launch. To run without risk, you need to rule out a few malicious factors. 1. Sniper bots. 2. MEV bots. 3. Unnecessary holders that get in between your purchases. 4. A large percentage of the developer. Let's elaborate. Snipers, especially through Gulfstream node, can take out our tokens before us, that is, carry out a purchase before the dev. This is a very big risk, because then your rug pull will not be successful because snipers can take your liquidity. MEV bot comes in if it sees a large number of buy orders or large orders in the Solana network block. Without software written in a fast language and regulated by the fee of the network, the risk with MEV is not removed. Extra holdings come in if liquidity pours in slowly. A large percentage on the dev discourages holders. If you buy in from one wallet for 51 souls, the probability of making money is extremely low as all market participants realize you are going to rug the chart. What to do? Personally, I use the services of this guy in Telegram. He takes a small commission for launches on Pump Fun. According to him, he uses software for simultaneous buying and selling coins from different wallets with increased fee to protect against MEV bots. And also somehow I do not understand how he neutralizes the activity of snipers. I will leave a link to it in the description. If anything, write to him. And now we will rug pull token under the record, exclusively for educational purposes. We write to our friend. He takes 0.25 SOL commission for the launch, or as a fixed price for a full consultation on the market in chat. If my video is not enough for you, you can have a chat with him, I don't know, in case something is not understandable. All in all, 0.25 SOL is not that much money after a Solana drawdown. You will lose much more if you try to rug pull from one wallet in an environment with snipers and MEV bot, so weigh the risks. So we write to it that we want to initialize the launch. Then we insert everything we want to see in our ticker, pictures, links, descriptions, etc. I've prepared everything in advance, so I'll just send it over. Next, we need to transfer the payment. In my case, it will be 53 SOL to cover the commission of Pump Fun, the commission for the launch of 0.25 SOL and get into the King of the Hill. So the manager sent us the wallet address. We transfer Solana, send the link to SolScan. Now we have 52.75 SOL on our balance, which means he has already taken money for his work. Within 20 minutes after the transfer, our ticker should be released, and through DM we can pull down the rug. We write at what bonding value we will sell out. We write 70 SOL. That's it, that is. Now we are waiting for the ticker to come out and the token pump dump. Well, here is our chart. The rug was pulled successfully. 69 on the balance, 1 burned due to the commission of Pump Fun, but nothing. Total for an hour of work, we earned 13 SOL. You can run launches for 4 SOL and 3. Protection from MEV and from snipers, in any case a good thing even for low-cap launches. But But without traffic and King of the Hill 13 souls from the launch with such investments to get, of course, a little difficult to get.